I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
My good people, now welcome back to Reality Latest Gist. Welcome back to your number one channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for inside this our green white green country, so maybe Nigeria. And as we normally do, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with fresh reports we go like share with the general public. And no be like, my good people, this information about the things and things where they happen for inside Edo State. Now say we now don't receive reports say the Edo State security and economy just a decline since the month of December for inside the year 2024. So this month will be June for inside this year, so maybe 2025. On the 28th day of March for inside this year, so maybe 2025. 16 countrymen from the northern part of the nation Nigeria, them now be they travel alongside Edo State. But last, vigilante men come barbecue them for inside Uromi for inside Edo State. This barbecue incident now can last expose a collapsed security system. This barbecue incident can let men know say the security system of Edo State they stand with one leg, and the insecurity palava no finish for there. After 2 months of the barbecue incident we play for inside Uromi, reports come bust out say not less than 60 country people buy from violent attacks by headers and criminal gangs, with properties worth millions of nairas being destroyed. And normally all these levels no make sense at all, but still end there. Reports still dey ground about a violent attack on 7 farming communities for inside Ovia Southwest local government area of Edo State. And this violent attack last claimed 24 lives just for inside last month. So, and also at least 10 countrymen still bear RIP in various communities across Edo Central in recent months. And these communities they include Uromi, Ubiajia and Igweben. And also some time ago for inside Edo State, police officer shoots an 18-year-old boy for inside Okpebholo, East and West local government area. This now can raise concerns about police conduct. This now can make men the reason say which kind of training with police officers they receive will make them they perform like that for inside Edo State. And also illegal vigilante groups were very much involved in violent acts, last leading to their suspension by the government, along with the suspension of the Edo State Security Corps commander. And also for the 20th day of May for this year, so will be 2025, the Edo State Police be arrest officers over alleged malicious vandalism for inside Benin. This now can indicate internal security challenges within the police force. Men are not going to trust police force again because the things and things we men they observe about their lifestyle, fresh, nice, make sense at all. And also for the 16th day of April for this year, so will be 2025, 10 students were very much abducted along Edo-Ondo border, but were later rescued by police and security operatives. And also a young mother of 2 where they go by the name Uyi Ebohon was kidnapped from her own home for Okpebholo early this year 2025, and till now she still remain missing. As in up till now, security operatives, security agencies never still rescue the woman. Men no even know whether the woman still dey alive or she don't last bear RIP. And also 3 young men brutally collect RIP from suspected headers in their communities within a single week. And also businesses are forced to close before 7 p.m. sake of fear of criminal activities. Sake of say they no want something go come lead to another, them now come bear RIP. And now sake of say business now don't they close down before 7 p.m. This now don't they lead to a drop in internally generated revenue from about 7 billion naira for the month of October for the year 2024 to 3.5 billion naira for the month of February for this year, so will be 2025. And also the gross domestic product of Edo State don't drop from $25 billion for the month of October 2024 to about 17.6 billion naira for the month of June for this year, so will be 2025. And also the taxpayer count now don't decline, it don't reduce from 373,000 for the month of July for the year 2024 to less than 320,000 by early this year, will be 2025. This now they reflect business closures and economic hardship. This now they let the general public they know say e get things true be for inside the state. And also 4 residents suffer gun and machete wounds in a violent incident and multiple kidnappings now don spark national outrage. Upon say men now don allocate 849 million naira for security for inside the 2025 budget, the Edo State dey continue to dey experience a surge in violent crimes, especially kidnappings and unnecessary RIPs. That now don become the motto. That now don become the normal thing for Edo State, and normally those kind levels e no nice, e no make sense, e no fresh at all at all. Now men dey see reasons to believe say as the current governor of Edo State, Monday Okpebholo, go dismantle the previous robust security architecture from the Obaseki administration, e don dey linked now to the increased insecurity within the state. This new government, so led by Monday Okpebholo, men don dey accuse am say im go dey replace trained security operatives. That is, operatives now wey don receive better training, im go replace them with men wey be say they no even get training at all at all. They be just political actors. And sake of the things wey dey play for inside Edo State, countrymen now for inside we nation Nigeria, especially men wey dey for inside the states now, don begin dey ask whether the security and economic situation for inside the state go improve abi na which level. While some men still dey criticize the governor, some still dey talk negative about his performance and everything. Dem dey yarn say after all, during his campaign for governorship, he promised insecurity to Edo State. Now he don fulfill his promise. Wetin Edo State people dey complain about, this na wetin he talk say he go do and he don do am. Why are they surprised about the matter? Now all these criticisms dey come even after the Edo State governor dey try for infrastructural development. The man now dey try to build road. The man now dey try to rehabilitate schools to make sure say countrymen feel alright for inside Edo State. So this my good people, now dey informate, now dey report wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your remark, feel free make you put down your contributions, feel free make you drop down your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be reality latest gist. Now we dey like give una latest news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel reality latest gist, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. And also try make you dey share the news give your family and friends so that them go know wetin dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria, so that them go know wetin dey play for inside Edo State. Now me dey go gather more news, me dey go get more reports, me dey go gather more informate for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.